What is your star rating? How good is your product listing? And how easy the customer can find your products on Alibaba? If you are looking to answer to these questions, you have come to the right video. Welcome to Katosh Tubes. I'm your host Paras, and in today's video of Alibaba series, I'm going to explain to you all the tabs which are there in the Alibaba seller panel. But before I start the video, if you haven't watched my previous videos on Alibaba, you can check the link in the description to watch the videos. And if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, this is the right time to do so. So let's start with the video right away. So I am inside the Alibaba seller panel. So I will take you through all the tabs on the left hand side. So this one is home. This is by default. The second tab, which is your shop tab, if you click it, you will see global shop, which is your mini site, and then you see edit profile. So this is something which you can edit about your company basic details, manufacturing details, your export details, and all the related details which I have covered in the first video of my Alibaba series. So you can check that out in the playlist, and you can check that video in the description also. And next is about the products. So by default the name is pretty clear. Products means the one which you have listed on Alibaba portal. So the products, you can see post products or manage products option. So in this I will show you the most important tab that you must check, which is something here. It's called as product optimization. So let me click. So you can see a graph here and lot of breakups. You can see it's all about how your product is optimized to be listed and visible on Alibaba. The more the green, the better it is. If it is red, then it means it's poor quality posting. Yellow is average posting, and green is high quality posting. So using this tool you can quickly check if or what you have posted is up to the mark or not. So do check out this particular section timely on a time to time basis to track the performance of your products. You can check out your supplier quality, how it is, overall keyword score, how it is. So that's how you do it. Similarly, you have listing performance, keyword performance, product performance, search ranking tools. So all these tabs that you must check from time to time to stay updated on your business. Okay, so now let me go back. So the next tab, which is again very important tab and the one which I have already covered in the previous video of this series, is called as communications tab. It has two options, messages and quotes management. So message is something which you receive from the buyers. So when you click it, you will see all the messages, and when you click quotes management, you will see all the quotes that you have submitted in the RFQ market. So I have already covered RFQ market and quotes management, this particular tab, in the previous video. You can check that video in the link above or in the description, or you can check that out at the end of the video also. And let me quickly take you through the next tab, which is analytics. Now what is analytics? By default this means measuring your numbers. So in that there is something called as star ratings, the most important tab of analytics. Just click on it. So star rating is a tab which show your overall performance, your ranking, your search ranking boost, how many number of premium products you have, your product information score. Make sure it to be 5-star to be visible on Alibaba SEO, your services, your inquiry response, how fast it is, more the better, marketing, how many visitors are coming on your panel, coming on your mini site or on your product site, your conversion rate, how good are you able to convert. So all these metrics are here. The more the better it is. Okay, so you can check out by demographic wise analysis wise, top searches wise, and you can check out your individual product performances. The another important metrics. So you can see clearly the graph is going up. So more the list of products that you have, good will be the product performances if they are very much correctly mentioned on the Alibaba seller panel. So this is week on week. You can see how many products I have made live, how many products are being visited, and how many products are with inquiries. So it will give you full and complete details of everything, and below you can check out further breakup of the same. And similarly you have non-performing products, again the products which are not performing, it will list right here in this tab. So right now there is no match found, that means all my products are performing well. So these all the tabs you need to explore to know, to be very sure about how the panel works. Again, make sure to have a good product listing. That's what it's all about. Alibaba is all about good product listing. And second is response rate, faster the better. So the next tab is contact tab, which means the inquiries or the contacts which you have received from the customers. You can check out your contacts if you saved them in the contact list. Next is pretty much clear, which is campaigns, which means your ad campaigns, keyword advertising. So once you start listing your products, you can go deep into keyword advertising. And the next is orders, which by default explain itself. You can check that out. And then definitely there is something called as help center, which help you to check your business verification, purchase order, invoices on Alibaba. You can download from this particular tab here. So many people, when they sign up for Alibaba Gold member account, they want to get an invoice for the company. So this is the tab which you can use to get the related invoice. And similarly there is something called as open platform, which is basically not in use. It's basically for developing documents, configuration, using the HTML coding to list the products. So one more thing I would like to say here, that if you want to list your product on Alibaba, it's better to hire a particular agency which is an expert in the same. You can do it yourself, but it's always better to hire an agency who can do a particular SEO optimization and help to list your products using a better search engine optimization. So there are related videos which I've already published on the playlist. You can watch these videos on the screen which I'm sharing here, and definitely come back, check out the other videos, and if you have any question, feel free to comment below, and remember to subscribe. Thank you.